Hello everyone, welcome back to Brant Murphy Garage. Today we're going to be installing the new tonneau cover on the 2500 Rebel. It's just a rough country, as you can see, tonneau cover. I ran this on my last truck, my 1500 Laramie. I just had a smaller bed, so this is the 6'4" roll-up tonneau cover. I actually prefer the roll-up over the trifold. So let me go ahead, we'll unbox this and we'll start working on it. Please excuse my dog barking in there. Let's say a big thank you to my mother-in-law. She got this for me as kind of like a belated Christmas / birthday present. Yeah, so thank you, Mickey. Appreciate it. All right, so yeah, basically just like my other one. So these rails will sit on the top of your bed here. They'll sit up here, and they get secured via these little brackets here. And after that, you just basically put the tonneau cover in. It's pretty straightforward, so should be a pretty quick installation. All right, so these rails do have markings on them to tell you what side to go on, and they do have these adjusters here to basically however tight you want your cover to be, you can adjust it with these guys right here. Looks like they're just held in by a couple of screws. There's a little white mark right there, and some tabs showing you the level. You just move it to what you want. I'm just going to start off with the level that it's at. It's cold, so it's probably going to be a little stiff anyways, but if I need to adjust it later, I will. All right, next up, we got to go ahead and get here into the mounting hardware. Make sure you have all of these. Yep, good to go. Also looks like it comes with an Allen key and some caps. Let's see what those caps are for. So this is a little bit different than the one I had on my 1500, but then again, I got that one almost 3 years ago, so the design may have changed just a little bit. It wants us to go ahead and put the cover on the bed. All right, so what it looks like here is you got these little, I guess, brackets in here that they just slide onto your rail, and then you tighten them down with that screw right there, and then also tighten the back one as well. I'm gonna do that real quick. All right, now, so the way these brackets work is you gotta get, there's a little lip here inside the rail. You get one side up in there, and do I need 2 hands for this? Hold on. All right, and then your other piece, the one with the flat top in it, right there, that goes on the bed side. And you put 3 on each rail and tighten them. Just like that, that's installed. Now I would get these as close to the corners as possible to prevent any water coming in. I mean, I would put this back further if I could, but you know, I got that the bracket's not gonna fit right in that tiny little space right there. So let's get them as close to the corners as possible, just for the best seal. All right, now I will say, compared to the last tonneau cover I had for my Ram, these brackets here are much larger than the last one. Also, I found what those little caps are for the screws there. Excuse me, I had to sneeze. Those are for the bolts there. Keep whatever you're hauling safe from, you know, any jagged metal. So I think now the last step is to just unroll it and see how it looks. There's a helicopter overhead. It's being pretty rude while I'm trying to make my video. Fly away. Yeah. All right, well, you know what? I think that's gonna do it for this video. If you like this, you want to try it on your truck, head over to Rough Country site. It's really easy to filter down to what tonneau cover for what bed you want. I'm pretty, so far, I mean, I'm thinking I like this. I liked my last one a lot. The design of my last one I think was better, so maybe here soon I'll do a little review on it, see if I actually like it or if I'm going to go in on something different. But so far I think this is going to be a good one. We're about to take Ruby here on a pretty decent haul, and I think I'm going to be going through a little bit of weather on this haul, so we'll see how she does against the elements and see if it's up to snuff. So thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Take it easy.